Hey everyone, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator. And well, a few months ago I had an idea, but the great thing all over the world is that people can have the same ideas at the same time. And well, I worked out my idea, but it didn't come to an end. And someone else thought of his idea, which was exactly the same. And well, what's the video? So here is my website. In the end of March, Corona was hitting the Netherlands very hard, and of course it was hitting the whole world. And then I came with the idea, while we were printing face masks and all that kind of things, I came up with the idea that Corona spreads very easily if you touch with your hands in your face. This is because if the virus material is on doorknobs or on things you touch where other people have been who are coughing, or maybe you were in the same room where people were coughing and now the virus material spreads via the air on your hands, then when it's not in your face, well, you really can't get infected. The only way to get infected is if you have that material by your eyes or nose or mouth. And therefore, back in the time in March, I was thinking of an idea that you should be warned when your hands were going close to your face. And I thought of a necklace or a brace or something like that, a brooch or whatever, that could tell you when your hands are entering the zone of your face. And well, I wasn't smart enough to work it out. I made a video where I asked other people how they should make a thing like that, and I gave up some ideas on how you can, how you can make something very successful so that all other people all over the world can all benefit from your idea. And I also told how I was already struggling with some electronic ideas on how I thought this could be made. And I was working with ultrasonic sensors back then and with a buzzer, and this is built very big, but of course I knew it had to be miniaturized, etc. But well, I didn't come to an end. It stopped when I had to miniaturize things and when I was testing, and sometimes it works and sometimes it didn't work, and well, there I was on a dead end and I didn't succeed. But luckily, all over the world there were people who had the same thoughts, who were also thinking of the same idea, because I wasn't alone with this idea. I gave it a bit of a face on my website and on my YouTube channel, but there were multiple of the same ideas being worked out all over the world. And one specific group of people were also working on this. And well, I'm very proud that today on the news I heard that they succeeded. And well, those people are NASA, the company that goes all in space and do great things. They came with something which is really, really great. And well, you have to see it. It's the pulse. The pulse is a pendant, and it warns you when you touch your face. And it has all the same ideas that I had. It had to be smart, it had to be small, it had to be worn around the neck, it had to be very easy to make, it had to be open source so that everyone can make it, the parts should be available all over the world, etc, etc, etc. That no matter where you live, you should be able to obtain the parts, you should be able to make it with a very decent manual on how to make it. And well, here it is. The great guys of NASA had the same idea, and well, they made it. They made a necklace, which they call Pulse. And well, here it is. There is a video about it. Links are all in the description down below. But here you can also learn how to make it yourself and what parts you need. So here you can see all the parts that you need to make this. You can download the STL files and then print the files yourself with your own 3D printer. Here is the circuit diagram, so you can see how everything is thought of and how they make it. And they even give instructions on how to solder, etc, etc. It's a very nice made manual. And the good thing is, it's all open, it's all out there for everyone, so everyone can make it. And therefore, well, my idea didn't come to an end because I wasn't able to miniaturize it. They did. And well, I'm so happy that now there is someone, 3 people in fact, who could really bring this to an end. So links are in the description down below, and well, you can see how you can make it yourself. I am going to make one myself, of course, and well, maybe like all the other things, like the face masks, like the other things we made as a maker community to fight Corona, maybe this is also something which can be made in multiple numbers so that we can help people to fight Corona. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you later in the next video. Please like, subscribe, that kind of things, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.